Good evening. Today we'll be making one video on Bharti Airtel Ltd. That is the time limit bar from filing GSTR 3B for revision of GSTR 3B for claiming ITC. For it is some time bar is given for filing GSTR 3B, after which you are not allowed to file your GSTR 3B and for claiming your ITC claim. That now it is November for every subsequent financial year. If you are claiming ITC for 25-26, then November 26 is the last date for filing your return for claiming ITC for during the financial year 25-26. So if you have missed any ITC during the year, then verify it. And now March closing also going on, so you can adjust and close your financial accordingly and claim the ITC. Now we will come back to the topic, Bharti Airtel Limited. Now the issue is whether the taxpayer can revise the file GSTR 3B to claim the input tax credit on the inputs beyond the period is prescribed by the law. The Supreme Court set aside the Delhi High Court order. Apex Court disallowed a refund of 923 crores to Bharti Airtel, which was made by rectifying GSTR 3B for the period when error occurred after the time limit allowed by law. The taxpayer need not depend on the auto-generated data available via GSTR 2A on the GST portal for discharging the liability between July 2017 to September 17, where even when the GST Act, the taxpayer must self-assess the ITC available and check its availability and balance electronic cash or credit ledger. They must not depend on the GST portal as the go data source. So later, a GST Circular 26/26/2017 CT dated 29 September December 2020 was issued to clarify that rectifying the said return is possible using a different methodology by making changes in subsequent period returns. According to GSTR 3B cannot be revised or rectified once filed, as it would have a cascading effect on the obligation and liability of the other stakeholders. So there is a restrictions on filing of GSTR 3B. As you can see that there is a circular of 26/2017 was issued that rectifying the side return is possible using a different methodology, making changes in subsequent returns. But you have to intimate the other third party whose account is going to be affected due to rectification you are making on GSTR 3B returns, so that he is aware of it and can make the necessary changes in their subsequent filing returns, so that their account and yours account is matched in the GST portal at the time of filing GSTR 909C at the year end 31st December of the subsequent financial would not make any change, would not make difficulty for reconciliation, because GSTR 909C both are the reconciliation statement of the GSTR 3B filed during the GSTR 3B is actually the final return that